Got everyone packed up. I got lunches packed. And about to start loading up the car and hit the road to the Warren State Park Dunes. I think Becca's just gonna meet us there. We were gonna caravan originally, but we're gonna meet there. I got my beach mat. Super excited. Kids are bouncing off the walls. They're so excited. We've always said that one of the best things about being on the road is the community that we've met, and it still stands. Like, we are just so blown away by the friendships we've made and everything else. It's just seriously been the best part. I mean, yeah, we've seen beautiful places and everything, but it just takes the cake to actually go and see them with friends and experience them with friends that are just living the same way as you are, and it's just really cool. So we're super blessed by that. Who is so excited to make it to the dunes and see their friends? You're just excited? Bubba, what about you?
I'm excited.
Two thumbs up excited? Oh yeah. Ooh, 10 fingers up excited. All right. Oh, you're 10 too? Oh, you're 20? 10 fingers and 10 toes? I'll kind of hang out. There's a bunch of wild turkeys on the side of the road up here. This is crazy.
There's turkeys?
Like probably 15 wild turkeys, like right here on the side of the road.
Oh, cool.
Really cool.
Alright, I'll see you in a sec.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye. I'm watching. Oh, Spider-Man, good job. Best episode ever.
Wait, how does he say it?
Pivot! 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 You got this, boys. Good job. Hey, Freddie, why don't you hold the other end up? Wyatt, did you find your shoes? No? He said that he knew where they were, but apparently he doesn't. Hey, buddy. You gonna take all those cars, do you think, Joey? Hey, Corbin, where'd you go?
Thanks for watching. Hey, cool. Home with the Hoopers. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.